What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy HSC Jr. here, and today we're gonna be installing a new accelerator cable on my car because that shit broke. I'll show you right now. I know it's been a while. The last thing I did to my car was like a couple months ago. I don't really drive it, but I changed the injectors and the distributor and the valve cover gasket, the spark plug wires. I changed all that shit because my car was running like shit. I did the distributor first, the spark plugs, all that, and it's still running like shit. Turns out it was the injectors, one of them was bad, so I bought those, swap them out. It's running fine, but I need to redo the distributor because I installed it wrong. I'm supposed to be at 10 degrees of timing, and I'm on 8 or 9, somewhere around there. So I gotta fix that. Pretty easy. I should have recorded, never did. It was pretty quick, like 30 minutes maybe. Right now I'm doing the accelerator cable. I'm sweating. It's hot as fuck. I started, but it's hot. Let me go show you guys real quick. Alright, so this is the accelerator cable. You guys can see how dusty my car is. I don't really drive it. Look at this shit, bro. Come on, focus. Look at that. If I pull it more, it's hanging by a small ass thread. Then the cable goes through there, through the firewall, and so down here, which fucking sucks, cause I gotta take off that right there, and it's a small ass space, bro. I'll get back to you guys when I take it out. I got the new one right here, actually. Right there. Brand new. So I'll get back to you guys real quick. Alright, y'all. I got the fucking gas pedal off. So yeah, I took that off right now. That shit was hot. It's small and it's hot. That's the accelerator right there. The gas pedal. Pretty sure it's straightforward and you just pull it. So just try. Yeah, buddy. Pretty straightforward, not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, here's the old one. Right next to the new one. The old one, the new one. Let's take out the cable a little bit more. Old and new, boys. Old and new. Let's see. Shit. Low-key, shit came out pretty smooth. There's a hole right there. Should be right there. Alright, let's see if I could install this one. And I didn't say, but the only reason I'm installing this new cable is because, oh no, actually I did, because it broke. I was driving and my accelerator got stuck. I was like, what the fuck, I can't. I was pushing the gas and I noticed the car not slowing down. So I was pushing on the brakes and the car wouldn't slow down. And I stepped on the gas again and it felt like it was stuck to the floor kinda. And I got to my girlfriend's house and when I wanted to park, the car was like Fast and Furious mode. Like it didn't want to stop. It was just going and going and going. That's why I don't drive this car no more. Well, I do drive it, but not as often. I was like, you know what, fuck it. Gotta fix it, gotta do what I gotta do. People might say sell the car, but my goal is to keep it and fix it and keep it clean, you know? Maybe make it into a show car. Who knows? I don't know, I don't really mess around with the car that much no more. Who knows, I might just start uploading vlogs or something like that, you know? I went on vacation a couple weeks ago. I should have vlogged that, but you guys seem to like the New Year fireworks. That video blew up low key for me. That shit was a lot of views, but the car content, you guys don't seem to like it, or who knows, you guys like it, but I ain't there yet. I ain't no Mr. Beast. But let's try to install this new cable. We got the old one out. Let's see if we could get the new one in. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the hole, and we're gonna try and install this new cable in. See how it is. Let me pull over here a little bit. Okay. Shit, it's fucking small in here, bro. Let's see if that went through. Alright, so I kind of knocked the camera down, but I got the cable through. I don't remember if it was under the intake or not, but she's in. I think she was under the intake out of all this. Now I don't remember if it was under the water hose, the radiator hose, or over it. I think I'm gonna just run it over, and then I gotta go. I gotta hook this up, and I forgot, so let me look back at the video. Alright, so I installed the little thing on the gas pedal, and I'm pretty sure this is how it was. I'm like 99% sure this is how it was. If not, how about trying that right? My fucking headlamp battery is dying, so the phone flash got to do. Let's see if we could get some clip. Alright, let's see if we could install this with the camera and everything. That shit was a pain in the ass to fucking take off, so see how this shit goes. Pull some more over there. Alright, I have to get another light. My phone died. My phone overheated. Oh man. My phone keeps bugging out, bro. It keeps overheating. but I kind of got it in. It's just a bit like this. So let me get the bolt. Oh, fuck. Alright, y'all, so the gas pedal is officially on. Super fast. So now what's left to do is bring it over here and tighten it up. Alright, so it's first off, this goes here, down, this one went under, this one right here, unless this one went all the way down. That went there. But I don't know why the fuck this shit keeps cutting off. Alright, so I had to go inside and bust out the wrenches because 12. Okay. I think that should be good. Yeah, that should be good. See how that goes. Alright. Let's go feel how the gas pedal feels like. Yeah, now it feels like a gas pedal. Let's see. Okay, not much wiggle on it right there. There's not much wiggle. I think I'll leave it like that. I think I'll just leave it like that. Alright, y'all. So I got the gas pedal on. I think I'm gonna turn the car on right now just to test it out, to see if it's running high idle, and so you guys can hear the car. What was I gonna say? It is hot out here. It's hot as a motherfucker. It's like 90 degrees and it's nighttime. It's like I don't know what time it is actually. So we got that on. Feels good. It feels good. Hopefully it runs good. I should change all the cables in the car just in case, just because, you know, the car's old, the cable's old. I mean, the whole car needs a rebuild. Oh, fuck it, let's turn the car on. Alright, yeah, we're gonna turn the car on. See how she sounds, see how she runs. way too tight. Yeah, way too tight, way too tight. We're gonna have to loosen her up a bit. I have to loosen it up about that much. It was way too tight. Let's see how she feels now. She sounds better. Damn, she's like hella tight. Sounds like it's running smooth. Alright, I plugged the microphone in. Let's see how this sounds. There's like plastic vibrating everywhere. Let's see. I think it's fine. She running great. We'll see how she runs for the next couple of days. Any problems? Alright, y'all, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Honestly, this was probably one of the easiest videos I've ever made. This shit was quick, not like some other ones. I mean, the injectors was pretty quick too, but this was quick also. Hot. It's hot. That's all it is. It's hot. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope I catch you all in the next one. Drop a like if you liked. Subscribe if you subscribe. Whatever I said, I don't know. Comment what you guys want to see. I don't know. You guys let me know if you guys are watching. Alright, peace out.